What's up, YouTube? What we have here is a 1990 9C1. Still got the push bar on them. Bumper filler. Just shot. This car been sitting for 12 years. The previous owner had died. I picked it up from a relative. He couldn't tell me much about it, other than the fact that when the owner had parked it last, it ran. So I picked the car for a little or nothing, had it towed, put a hot battery in it. Come to find out, the fuel pump was bad on it. I replaced the fuel pump, started right up. So, the paint on it is shot. Sitting out in the sun, just shot. Body has some dents and things, but don't have no major rust on the car. You know what I'm saying? So, I picked the car up not too long ago, and it's kind of just been sitting. I normally don't buy cars in this type of condition, but believe it or not, I took my son with me and he just fell in love with the car, so I just bought it on the strength of that. Like I said, it damn sure could use a paint job and a little bit of body work. Still got the silicone hoses on it from the factory. 350. If any of you guys are familiar with the 9C1s, then you know that this one is built a lot different than the civilian Caprices. This one has a trans cooler, oil cooler. I believe I have a power steering cooler, heavy duty suspension, heavy duty frame. Yeah, it's just sitting up at storage. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. To be a stock 350, it do get up and go. It's not a race car, but there you have it. Like I said before, you don't see a lot of these on the road, and you know, just picked it up.